In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin important posts in your subreddit. Pinning a post is a great way to make sure that key information, announcements, or rules stay visible at the top of your community, so your members see them right away when they visit. First, make sure you're signed into the Reddit account that has moderator permissions for the subreddit you want to manage. Only moderators can pin posts, so if you don't see the options described here, it may be because you're using the wrong account or you don't have the right permissions. Next, open your subreddit and find the post you want to pin. This could be a rules post, a welcome message, an event announcement, or anything else you want your community to notice. Take a moment to double check that the post is complete, accurate, and up to date, because once it's pinned, it will be one of the first things people see. When you've located the post, look for the three dots menu associated with that post. Depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, this menu might appear slightly differently, but it is usually positioned underneath the post content or to the side of it. The three dots represent a More Options menu, where additional actions are hidden. Click on the three dots. This will open a small menu with several options related to that specific post. Read through the options for a second so you don't click the wrong one by accident. In that list, you should see an option labeled Pin, or something very similar, such as Pin to Top. Now, click on Pin. As soon as you do this, Reddit will mark that post as pinned in your subreddit. The post will move to or stay fixed at the top of your subreddit's post list, usually above newer posts. This makes it much easier for visitors and members to spot the information you want to highlight. After pinning, refresh your subreddit page and confirm that the post appears at the top. If you later decide that you no longer want it pinned, you can go back to the same three dots menu on that post and look for an option to unpin it. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on the three dots and then selecting pin, you can quickly highlight key posts and keep your subreddit organized and easy for your community to navigate.